Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will install Windows 11 on our previously created virtual machine. So, without wasting time, get ahead, start our virtual machine. It is started, connect. Press any key to boot up. Mm, yes. Okay. Language is English. Install now. We will install Windows 11 Pro digital license activated. If you haven't ISO file, you can download it from Microsoft website or get into PC. So click next. New, apply, OK. If you wanna change the size of your C drive, you can change, but I'm gonna leave it as it is 60 GB. So select it and then click next. It will install the necessary file and take some time. You can, if you haven't created virtual machine yet, then you can see my previous video. मुन्ने को ही क्या हो गया लगा Hey Sri, what are you doing? भाई सीरी से बात कर रहे हैं यार basically it will take some time to install Windows. We have to wait. Although we can explore these options, Control Alt Del this start turn off your you can turn off your virtual machine. Either you can shut it down, save your state, pause, reset your configurations. You can also create checkpoint from this and you can revert it. Let's run now. You can revert it also and now session share all these settings. We will explore all these one by one. First, after this, ये सारी शादियां कर ली हाई स्कूल वाले दो स्टूडेंट्स ने भी कर ली हाँ it is getting ready, so we have to wait. Just a moment. It is our Windows 11 installed. Yes, yes. Skip. Making sure you have the latest. Please keep your PC. What the hell they are doing now? So we are giving our PC name. We are giving Leslie next. ये भी दे लेती आपने वे Set up for studios. इसमें मैंने प्री सेट कर फिर मैंने निकाल लिया एक बार यार ये हो गया यार देखा था then we have to create pin type 4-digit pin whatever you want. Next accept skip. It will take some time. Almost there. We are almost. Oh yes, we have